guys, Tracy here. I'm with another episode, and today I'm going to be playing Minecraft. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. It's going to be a dropper map. I tried this map before. I made some of them, and I didn't finish it. And I did it with some of my friends. You should go check them out. Evan Riggs, that's his username. In the description below, he helped me. He told me how to do that face cam, but he set it up. I don't know how to set it up, so he's gonna have to help me with this one, that one. And he also helped me get Mobizin, or Mobizin, as some people say. And actually, he didn't make me start YouTube. He just made me start it on my tablet. So, rules: no breaking, difficulty off. Name, Dropper, IB2. Face, Twitter, @It'sMojin, map by It'sMojin, YouTube, It'sMojin. There are 10 levels, smiley face. So, level 1, desert. This is one of them I beat. So, hopefully, I can beat it again. Probably will, even if it takes me the whole episode. Still beat it! Hopefully I can actually survive. No! I was so close. Damn. Oh, I almost fell off the edge. I killed myself there. Basically killed myself. Whoa. Ow. Come on. No! Like, it makes a splash effect, but it doesn't actually make me, whoa. It doesn't actually make me, like, go in it. I look like I just teleported to that thing. Maybe not for you guys, but for me it did. Ow. Well, I did not mean to walk off that time. Yeah! Ooh. No, I overshot it. This is so annoying. Oopsie daisy, I wasn't even looking at the screen.
What are you doing?
Why do I suck so bad? Come on, this is impossible. I mean, I did it before. I actually did it. I'm gonna go drown myself. Because there's no way back up. I want I'm peaceful. Oh, guys. Is there a button? Is there a button? Is there a button? There. Okay, ready, guys? Whoa! It's confusing. So, guys, these are all the maps. Oh, I almost fell down that one. Oops. Then this is really what okay. Here's a map. 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 And that's it. And I'm dead. What? What? There we go. Number 2. Come on. Those just all the maps. How? I just want to make it through the hole and then I can stay still. We're dead. I drowned. Oh no, not this map. I hate this map. No, 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 no. I didn't make it first try. What the heck? I'm almost dead. I am dead. I'm almost dead. I am dead. Oops. Oops. Ooh, I think I know where to go. Right here. No, someone. I definitely think that's the way to go. Why? Why, cruel world? What? You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? What do I feel like doing? What do I feel like doing? No, I can't even make this one. Wow, this is just sad. This is just sad. This is just sad. Oh, wow, I did it. Wow, I'm amazing at this game. Oh, wow, this is an amazing game. Man, I rock at this. And I'm just a boss at this game. Man, I just rock. I didn't cheat or anything. I just rock. I rock, and I rock. Yes. Thank you. I rock. Alright. Let's try this level. I think I already see the way to go. So mad. You just die. You don't jump down. You just die. If I don't make this in 7 more tries, what? I'm gonna destroy this map soon. I swear. I'm just gonna destroy it. I'm gonna destroy it. Well, get it out of the way. On to number 6. And I'm dead. What? What? You guys probably wanted me to rage more. It's gonna happen soon. I'm peaceful. Too late. Okay. And don't even talk about it. Don't even talk about it. Don't even talk about it. I told you not to talk about it. And if you did, guys, if you talked about it, then screw you. You guys are so rude to me. Oh my gosh. Oh. Start. Okay. Okay. I'm dying. Yeah, I'm dead. I just died. That was great. Oh, this can't be good. Never can be good. I don't think I properly beat this map yet. Wait, water and what now? Why now? Come on, if only there was lava down here, I could kill myself and murder myself and burn myself alive. Ah! Ah! I'm dead. Because on the last two maps, I'm not going to cheat, okay? I'm not going to cheat on the last two maps. Well, that happened. Who do I want to cheat? Okay, I'm dead. Last map. Oh no, this can't be good. This can't be good. This can't be. What? I think I already know what to do. This can't be good. I'm screwed. I'm a goner. I'm a goner. I'm dead. I'm gonna die this round, guys. Screw it. Screw it. I found out where to go. That is actually pretty easy when you know where to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe. And I hope I will see you. Bye.